Yo, what's going on guys, Rebuilds NI here, come back with a new video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to repair a crack in a wing. I got this wing for 2010 Clio. Now, when I got home, there's been cracks in it, it's been badly painted, it's all pitted and stuff. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to DIY this out. And what I like to do is I drill a hole at the end of every crack, just to stop it from cracking anymore, and V it out. So that's V'd out there. Now this here crack might be a wee bit harder just because it's down here on the edge too, but someone's obviously tried to repair it as it's full ice upon. But might as well have a crack at it and see if we can do it. Now I could have fixed the oil wing on her, but the oil wing's probably, it's worse. Now a lot of you are probably wondering what's going on with SKR. Basically we've got the bumper, we've got the rear bumper, we've got the wing, we've got the headlight, we've got the cross member. Now the only thing we're waiting on is that intercooler. We can't rebuild anything until we get that intercooler, and we were only going to paint the tailgate at the start, but now we're going to paint the rear bumper, front bumper, wing, tailgate, and obviously all the handles. They're done. They should be coming here very soon. Now the reason why I'm painting everything, because it's actually all been badly painted. I know a lot of people would say to me, what'd you buy them for? What'd you buy them? Well, I paid £80 for the wing, headlight bumper and rear bumper and cross member. Now to me, that's a fucking bargain, look, so might as well lift them, even if they do need a wee bit of paint, sure. Costs for free anyway, I'm painting the boot. So hopefully I'll be seeing more videos in this soon. So anyway guys, we're going to crack on and repair this wing, as you probably don't really know much about fixing cracks. Well, not the type of crack you're thinking of, but this crack. So what I like to do obviously is drill a hole at the end of it and V the crack out, just so when I put ice upon on this here, it's actually going to fill it and it's not going to hopefully crack again. Now we're going to do that with both of them. Now I'm not going to primer in this video because I'll tell you why. I've ordered a new primer spray gun because I'm only going to rack that gun, I think, using it for primer, because I'm running too thick of primer through that nozzle. That's only 1.3 nozzle, even though I do thin it down and stuff, but I think I'm just going to rack that gun, so we're not going to touch it. Now, I'm going to talk you through what we're going to do here. We're going to start DMing this with 120. I was going to do 80 grip, but we'll do it 120, just roughly from like there to this edge, and then we're going to flip it over. Now what I like to do in here, I like to give us a wee bit of a scuff here too. You can see someone's obviously tried to fix it with fiberglass and they've just picked it all off because I actually haven't sanded this down. Now there's loads of different ways you could do this. You could melt mesh into here and just a wee bit, you just mesh it nice upon the outside. It'd probably work alright, but I'm going to try it different because I've got like a wee tool that actually just welds these together. It's real nice. So I'm going to show you that wee tool now. Basically it's this here wee thing here, I got it off eBay, it's like a wee plastic welder. Now you put like wee metal, it's almost like a stapler, and you melt them down in that crack so it doesn't break. Now after I do that, I'm going to actually put a wee bit of panel bond in there just to hold that, and ice pond on the outside. That should hold that perfect. So enough of my talking. Basically I'm going to tell you what you need. You obviously need, if you're going to use that plastic welder, you're going to need that. If not, you need a soldering iron and a wee bit of mesh. You're also going to need a heat gun to dry your ice palm. You're also going to need ice palm. You're going to need sandpaper. You're going to need a DA. Well, you can do it by hand if you want. And if you're going to prime it, you're going to need primer. So, enough of my talking. Let's crack on.
But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a robber's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence. I can't wait no longer. I'm playing with the monsters. Everything that brought me alive. Going wrong like nonsense. Playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a robber's fight without an alibi. You took my innocence without an alibi.
So you have it, guys. That's it all repaired. Looking pretty good. No more cracks. If I could recommend anything, I would recommend just getting that stapler. Cracking me job, so it is. You get about 1,000 staples with it and it'll last you for ages. I'll just fix your stuff like this so easy. Now, I use P240 to take out all my deep scratches with the 80 grit, just so when I'm going to prime, you'll not see any deep scores through the primer. So anyway, guys, if you did learn anything in this video or just watched it for the crack, I don't mind. Make sure you do like, comment, subscribe. Comment what you want to see in my next videos, or if you want to see any different cars that you've seen maybe in my last few videos that I haven't featured. But anyway, guys, this has been Rebuilds NI out.